Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to set up SSMS. First, you'll need to download the SQL Server Management Studio installer. Head over to Microsoft's official website and locate the latest version. Once downloaded, simply run the executable file. This initial step is straightforward, getting you ready for the main installation process in just a few moments. It's the very first step to unlocking powerful database management. Next, let's dive into the installation. When prompted, it's often easiest to choose the default installation location. This ensures all necessary files are placed correctly without extra configuration. Click the Install button and the process will begin. It typically takes several minutes, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your computer's speed. Just let it run its course. Once SSMS is installed, it's time to connect to your SQL server. Launch the application, and a Connect to Server dialog box will appear. In the server name field, type your SQL Server instance name. Then, select your preferred authentication method, such as Windows authentication for integrated security. This step is crucial for accessing your databases securely and efficiently. Finally, let's verify your connection. After entering your details, click Connect. If successful, you'll see the Object Explorer populated on the left. Expand the Databases folder to view all your existing databases. Congratulations! You've successfully set up SSMS and are now ready to manage, query, and develop against your SQL Server instances with confidence. Enjoy exploring your data.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.